Since you have cancer, can you taxidermy your Johnson so I can use it? Cause no one has as good a Johnson as you.
Huh! No! What type of question even is that?
But you have just the right amount of veins, the right size, tip shape, and curvature.
I mean, I appreciate the compliment, but that just cannot happen.
Well, can I get some before you are gone? And can you make yourself look like my ex, since you are customizable with your cancer?
Huh? You do know that it is not terminal, right?
It's not.
No.
So I can get Johnson for the rest of my life?
If you like me for me, and want to actually get to know me.
That sounds lame, but I'll give it a chance.
Who knows? Maybe you will fall in love.
Whoa there. Slow down. Just because you have an amazing Johnson doesn't mean I'm going to be in love with you.
I guess we will see.
But you are kind of cute, so you have the looks and the Johnson down. We just have to see how you treat me.
I will treat you like the lovely lady you are.
That is sweet, but I like to be disrespected. It is so hot.
Oh!
I'm kidding. Kind of.
Okay. See you at 6?
Tonight?
Yeah.
Okay, you should wear gray sweatpants.
I want to get to know you.
Okay, still wear them though.
Hey, I'm outside.
Okay, my cat holders are not on.
Well, put them on. I want to get to know you.
Okay, but they will be coming off.
Nope. We should just have a fun night.
Okay, I'll be out there in a few